one of the last little jobs I've got to do on the Dorset Petter. This is the original oiler, or an original oiler, and what was wrong with it was the sight glass had broken. It probably wasn't even the right one because it's a bit too small, and the regulator needle has broken off. Obviously all the gaskets and seals have perished years ago, so I've got some gasket offcuts, cork and proper gasket paper, old brass door handle for the actuating lever on the top, bit of acrylic tube on cut to size, and a screwdriver that I don't care much for to make another needle with. Some of the internal threads are a bit mangled, but I've got all the sizes I need. My granddad's old tools. He probably got off his father as well. Knew they'd come in useful one day.